In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a motivational quote. Mobile video in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, vertical video that's perfect for stories, reels, or shorts. Start by opening Canva. On the home page, click Create a design, then choose Mobile Video. This sets your canvas to a vertical 9:16 format so everything fits nicely on mobile screens. Next, you can move faster with a template or build from scratch. Click Templates and search for motivational quotes to see ready-made layouts with strong typography and backgrounds. If you prefer full control, start with a blank page and we'll craft it together. Let's bring in your background. Go to Elements, then choose Videos or Photos. Pick a clip or image that supports your message without distracting from the words. Think calm scenery, subtle textures, or soft bokeh. Aim for good contrast so text stays readable. If the background feels busy, consider a darker image or a clip with gentle motion to keep the quote front and center. Add your text by pressing the T key. A text box appears right away. Type your motivational quote, keeping it concise so it's easy to absorb in a few seconds. Short phrases often land best on mobile. Now refine the look. Adjust the font, size, and alignment until the quote is clear and balanced. Choose a bold, legible font, increase line spacing for readability, and align center for a clean, poster-style feel. If the background competes with the text, try a subtle text shadow or a semi-transparent rectangle behind the words to improve contrast. Give it movement with a light touch. Click Animate and choose a subtle option like Fade or Rise. These add polish without pulling focus from the message. Keep animations gentle and consistent. Add atmosphere with background music. Go to Audio and choose a track that matches the tone of your quote, uplifting, calm, or energetic. Keep it instrumental or minimally lyrical so it doesn't clash with the message. Set a comfortable volume so the music supports rather than overwhelms. Adjust the video length in the bottom timeline. Drag the edges to set the duration. 5 to 10 seconds usually works well for quotes, and make sure the animation and music feel natural within that time. When you're happy, click Share, then Download, and choose MP4 Video. Canva will render your clip ready to post. That's it. You've created a clean, motivational quote video for mobile. Experiment with different backgrounds, fonts, and songs to match the mood of each message. And keep your designs simple so the words shine.